When your AI characters just stare dead-eye into the camera, your audience feels it. It breaks the illusion immediately. Welcome back to the director's chair. Yesterday, we cast the perfect subject. Today, we have to direct their performance. In standard image generation, you only have to capture one emotion frozen in time. But in video, emotion isn't a state, it's an action. If you just type a happy person, PO3 will give you someone with a plastered and moving grin for 5 straight seconds. Today, we learn how to prompt for the emotional arc to get a realistic human performance out of PO3. You need to prompt for a transition. Real people react to things. We call this the emotional arc. Instead of asking the AI for a single emotion, you need to give it a starting point and a destination. Instead of a surprised man, write a man with a neutral expression who suddenly raises his eyebrows in pleasant surprise. Instead of a sad woman, write a woman trying to hold back a smile, eventually letting out a soft laugh. You have to use action verbs for the face. Words like furrows, brow, squints, smirks, soften, widens eyes, bites lip. These microexpressions give PO3 the roadmap to animate the facial muscles realistically. Let's look at a real-world commercial application. Let's say we are doing a close-up shot for a high-tech EV launch, something cutting-edge and sleek, a futuristic concept car. The goal of the shot is to show the joy of the driving experience. If I write close-up of a happy 30-year-old man driving a high-tech electric car, cinematic lighting, we get the creepy and blinking smile. The AI doesn't know why he's happy, so the emotion is hollow. Let's apply the emotional arc to our action. Watch the performance change when we prompt the transition. Extreme close-up of a 30-year-old man sitting in the driver's seat of a sleek, high-tech EV. His face starts with a look of calm concentration, looking straight ahead. As the car silently accelerates, his expression subtly transitions into a genuine thrill smirk. Soft dashboard interface lights glowing on his face, shot on a 45mm lens, shallow depth of field. Do you see the microexpressions? The slight shift in his eyes, the subtle pull of his cheek muscles. We gave the AI a narrative for his face. That is how you create connection. Here is your exercise for today. We are going to practice the emotional arc. Step 1. Open PO3 and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Step 2. Write a prompt using an extreme close-up ECU of a specific character. Step 3. Program an emotional transition. Make them go from confused to understanding, or from serious to laughing, or from exhausted to relief. For example, extreme close-up of a tired chef. She takes a sip of coffee, her eyes widen slightly, and her tense shoulders relax into a satisfied smile. Generate it and watch the muscles in the face. Notice how much more human the footage feels when the emotion evolves. You are officially a director of actors now. Practice those microexpressions. But what happens when you have 2 actors in the scene? On the next video, number 8, we tackle one of the hardest things in AI video, managing multiple subjects. If you ever had PO3 meltdown 2 people together or swap their clothes halfway through a shot, you cannot miss this. See you in the set.